Um, Hello there. Um, so you're true on here today. We are doing a pi day stream. It's pi day, so we're gonna be calculating pi. This is the first math stream on the channel. I will do many more math streams, but what are we doing today? We are going to be doing um calculating pi. I'm just gonna write this is really shit handwriting. Happy Pi Day. It's Pi Day. Happy Pi Day, chat. Hope the pie is good today. Maybe you are calculating pie, maybe you are making pie. I might try and make a pie. I don't know if I can be bothered. Like, I have a dentist appointment today, so I don't know if I can really be bothered to make a pie. But yeah. So, what am I going to be using? I'm going to be using Taylor series to do this. It's been a while since I've actually done anything to do with Taylor series, or we didn't actually learn about Taylor series completely in school yet. I learned about the Maclaurin series, which is a special case of the Taylor series where it's kind of like at the point zero, or like around the point of zero, something. Yeah, it's just a special case of the Taylor series where it's just around x equals 0 on the graph. So the estimation I'm going to be used to calculate pi is Taylor series, and I need to get up the thing. Right, yeah, it is this one. Pi, pi equals 4 minus 4 over 3 plus, nope, not 5, 4 over 5 minus 4 over 7, and so on. So that's what we're going to be using. I don't know how far I'm going to go with this, but I intend to go for some time, you know? And yeah, we shall see. I remember last time I did this was like 5 years ago, and I failed miserably in doing it. Got my calculator, which I'm going to be using for some of it, because the fractions get out of control very quickly. And you know, I want to see how like close it is to the actual digits of pi as we go. And yeah, let's start. We shall start. It shall be done. It shall be done. So the first estimation is going to be using the first term. So it's just 4. if we just take this first term, now if we do second term as well, pi approximately equal to 4 minus 4 over 3, which is 12 minus 4 over 3 is 8 over 3 is 2.6 recurring. So like this was, I think, around like just I think under 1 off, like 0.8, 0.86 off. This one from actual pi, this one is I think around 0.5 away from it. So the third approximation we're going to do with 3 terms of that series. 8 over 3 plus 4 over 5, I think that's right, 4 over 5. Yes, 4 over 5. And we do, so 40 plus 12 over 15, 52 over 15, which is something. So that, can that be divided by 3? It might be able to, I don't. Can 52, but I don't think it can. So from the calculator it says this is 3.46 recurring, which is pretty good. We're already getting closer to pi. Fourth approximation, pi is approximately equal to 52 over 15 minus 4 over 7 equals, how do I do this? So I need to do 7 times 52 and 4 times 15, so 7 times 52, that's 364 I think, because 7 times 50, 350, 7 times 2, 14, and then 60 over 35, 304 over 35, I think. Is that? No, it's not. No, it's not. That's not 35. That is something else. It's not 5 times 7, but 15 times 7. That's a mistake. So 15 times 7, 70 plus 35, 105. That makes more sense. There we go. And then this could be roughly like 3. So 304 over 105 is 2.895232380. We'll just do to like 3 decimal places. So 2.895. Let's do the 5th one. So this is going to be 304 over 105 no, plus 4 over 9. Now this is divisible by 3. So we can just quickly split this. This is 3 squared. I should put an arrow. So this 3 squared, and this can be divided up to, right, so this was from 7 times 15, so it's fairly easy to work out. 7 times 5 times 3, yeah, it's just that. So I think because these two have a common factor, which is 3, we can just we don't need one of the 3's. So we just need to multiply this by 3 and this by whatever it is to get that by 3. So we just kind of do for the denominator 3 times 105, which is 315. We can just cross that. And yeah, so 3 times 304 is 912. But I really suck at drawing with a mouse. Plus 4 times 105, that's 420. Is that what I need to do? I think it is. I'm not sure. Am I doing it right? I don't know. Hang on. Because I did like a practice run of this yesterday. It came out slightly different. Let me think. I think it's, I don't know. Because you're adding them, it kind of has to be. It's not really transitive. Like, you can't just move one of the 3. You can't just multiply 1 by 3 and 1 not by 3. So that would be multiplied by 9. That would be multiplied by 105. So 420 plus, so 30, 40 minus 304. 2, 7, 40, 2, 6, 2, 7, 6, 6. And then you add that to 420. And you get 3186. And then 3186 you divide by 3 because you can divide all of it by 3. 3186. Is that divisible by 3? I think it is. 3186. It should be. 3186. Yeah, it is. Adds the digits add to 21. 3186 is divisible by 3, so what is it? I cannot be bothered to work it out in my head, so I'm just going to use a calculator. So that's 1062. 1062. So it should come to 1062, I think. But this does not. This does not. So the other way of doing it would be like, I don't know why I'm stuck on this. Like, if I do it on a calculator, 304 1 over 105 plus 4 over 9 is 1052 over 315. So that one, it has to be, this one is wrong because it's not, doesn't come to 1052 over 315. So if I did this by 9, which is 2766, and this by 35, which is, well, 140, 2766, 140, that would not work either. I don't think it would. So do I am so confused. Why am I doing this to myself? Like, why am I making this so overcomplicated? Like, I'm just like, what am I doing? I'm trying to figure out how fractions work. It's been so long since I've done fraction stuff. I finished maths A level like almost a year ago, in like June last year. That was the last time I ever did maths. So I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest. Like, I I really need to practice. That's kind of the point of this kind of stuff that I'm doing. I need to practice my maths. So for adding these two fractions, you multiply the denominators, and then you multiply, and then you cross multiply like this and this. I probably would better to use a highlighter. So like, we'll do yellow. That is very small. We'll do big. There we go. Maybe that's too big. Medium. There we go. This and this. This is really shit. But regardless, such is the way of things. So you did this times this. Can you do that? I don't know. It's like you need to find a common denominator between these. So you can't multiply. 9 is not a factor of this, but they do have a common factor, which is 3. And yeah. So if you were just doing it like just multiplying these two, you would have to multiply this by 9, 105 by 9, which would be why am I just going silent? I'm not even trying. So 105 times 10 is 1050, minus 105, that's 950, 945. So 945 is the denominator without factorizing. Is it factorizing or simplifying? It's simplifying. Simpler. Oh my god, what? I'm not wording. I am not wording. Simplify is the word. Simplifying the fraction. Before you do that, the denominator would be 945. Should we just like not bother with the whatever I'm trying to do here, and just like with the like trying to do this with like the common factors and stuff. So I know you can take a 3 out, because if you add this and you add this, there's going to be a multiple of 3. Both of the denominator and the numerator are going to be multiples of 3, so you can cancel the 3 out, and it's going to simplify it. And you can kind of skip that by doing it initially, and I really want to do that because I have autism. I really need to do this for the sake of my sanity. I need to do it initially. So, trying to figure out. So you can't just remove it because you're adding them. You can't just remove the 3 from one of them. You have to move it from both because you're adding, not multiplying. That's the difference with the denominator. You're multiplying them, the numerator you're adding them. So what it would be 304 times 9 plus 4 times 105 over 105 times 9. Now, there is a common factor of 3 if we factorize this. You can factor out 3 worth to 304 times 3 plus 4 times 35 over 3, 105 times 3. So yeah, you have to remove the 3 from both of the numerators. That's where I was going wrong. Okay, I think we can go from here. And we shouldn't be in this issue again, because I kind of know what I'm doing now. At least with regards to this. Sorry, I just kind of had to remember what I was doing. Yeah. It's the most dead stream ever. I don't know how long I'm going to be streaming for, but I don't know, I want to go for a while. Okay, so what was I doing? That's 3 squared. Um, 7 times 5 times 3 squared. And no, not squared. Why is it squared? Why is it squared? Why is it squared? Sorry. And then you can kind of cancel one of the 3's. But for both of these, you need to cancel the 3. So this is 35. This is times 3. So 9. It's a big 9. 9, 12 plus 4 times 35, 140 over 315 equals 1052 over 315. There we go, that took longer than I thought it would. What is to be done? 1052 over 315. This will be 3.3 397. We're going to do 4 decimal places because that's 9 and that's going to be like 3.342. Otherwise, so 6th term, 6th approximation, pi is approximately equal to 1052 over 315 minus 4 over 11. And then is there a common factor? 315 divided by 11. Is that a thing? I don't think it is. Nope, it is not. It is not. It is not. It is not a thing. Okay. So you do 315 times 11. And can I be bothered to work it out? So 315 times 10, 3150 plus 315, 3150, 3150, 3450, and then plus 5, 460? No. Is it? I don't know. No, yeah, 60. So 150 plus 315, 350, 450, 450, 65. I think that's right. Might check it on the calculator. 465 over. I mean, I should do the numerator first. So this is 1052 times 11. So that is 105. No, that is not the way of doing it. That is not the way. That is not the way. That is not the way. 520 minus. Nope, nope. I need to figure out what this is. So you add 1,000, which means that this has a big rubber. This is going to be 1. You add 50, which means that this is going to be 7. And you add 2, which means that this is going to be 2. And then you minus 4 times 3 on 5, that's easy. 1, 2, 60 over. And then we just said this, we went through this, 3, 4, 6, 5 equals, let me subtract this. Why am I doing this to myself? Why am I trying to do this mentally? So this would be, so if we just put 1, 1, 5, 7, 2, let me subtract 1 to 60. Minus 60 is, that becomes 1, minus 2, that becomes 3, and minus 1, that becomes 0. So this is the whatever estimate of pi. That's number 6. And what this comes out to in decimals is 2.976. That's a small 7. Okay. Okay. 7 pi is approximately equal to 10, 3, 1, 2 over 3, 4, 6, 5. Then we add 4 over 13 equals right. So we will do. Okay, first of all, the number's getting so big, like it's like I don't know if the 13 is going to be a factor here. So I guess like, is it going to be? Because I mean, we don't need to do much. We can kind of just look at the previous calculations and see if 13 is going to be a factor. I don't think it is. So like, you can see with this here. What is it? Yeah, we can see with this, we got 7 here, we got 5 here, and we got 3 there, and then this is 9. So it's like, until we get like something that's a factor of this, so like, I guess with the next number 15, we're gonna be able to factorize the denominator a bit. But yeah, I'm just kind of yapping about maths, bruh. So I guess we can like multiply this by 13. Do I want to do this by hand? I'm gonna have to like do like long multiplication if I want to do this by hand. Because like, I want to use a calculator as little as possible. That's the thing, just to make it interesting. I guess what I want to do is like, I guess like I'm gonna try and get 3.14. What's the third digit of pi? We might do that, but we haven't got near 3.14, I guess, yet. I don't know. But yeah, once I think we get to like 3.14, once we get like this 3 decimal place estimate, then I'll end the stream. So yeah, gonna try. How do I do log multiplication? I haven't done this in ages, bruh. The thing is, like, in A levels as well, like, you just kinda. Just gonna use a calculator for this shit, because there's no point doing log multiplication. But like, I really wanna, like, challenge myself, I guess, with this. So we do times 13. How do I do this? I cannot remember how to do this. So you do this times 3 and then like that, kind of like long addition, I guess. So this is 6. This is 3, this is 9, this is 0, this is 3. And then we go to, what is it, 10. This is times 10, so this is just going to be 0, obviously. This is going to be 2. No, yeah. And then 1, 3, 0, 1. And then you add these 6, 5, 0, 4, 3, 1. There we go. I am learning the things that I have forgotten. That's 1, 3, 4, 0, 5, bruh. 0, 5, 6 plus 4 times this is easy. That's 12,000. Then this times 4. So that's going to be 12. That's going to be 16. So that goes 13, 6, 136. And then this is going to be 240, 136, 18, 138, 4, 1384. A based, pi is based. So yeah, this is going to be 1, 3, 1, 3, 8, 4. And then you this times for 20. So you 1, 3, 8, 6, 0. And then you did denominator. Denominator is this times this. That shouldn't be too hard, not gonna lie. What is this? So this times 10, 34,650. And then you add this times 3. So what's that times 3? We will see. We will see. It will be seen. And then, this is too complicated to do in my head, like, just gonna write some stuff down. So this is 34,650. Then we add to this. So this times 3 is 9, this times 3 is 12, so we do 10. That's gonna be 10,000. 2, that times 3 is gonna be 18. 10,000. My brain is fogging, my brain is farting, shitting, farting. And, so this place is the second off, so it's gonna be 8. That's where the 8's gonna be, so this is where the 2's gonna be, but it's 3. This is 3. Okay. 3, and then this times 3, 15. So that's 9, 5, you add them together. That's 5, 4, 0, 5, 4. There we go. 4, 5, 0, 5, 4, 5. Let's just cut this off. And then And I need to add these together, don't I? So 1, that's going to be 4, that's going to be 7. 1, 4, 7. That's going to be 8. No, it's going to be 9 because that plus that is spillover of 1. So that's 9. And then that's 1 and that's 6. There we go. 4. This is getting like ridiculous. Like it's going to be so ridiculous by the end of the stream. Oh, 4, 5. Then that's equal to something. I'll see. I'll just verify that's correct because we are doing many things. 3, 4, 6, 5 plus 4 over 13. This is... Bro, it won't show me the fraction. It won't show me the fraction. What is this? Fraction's too big. It won't show me the bloody fraction. Okay, I'm gonna have to do it like individually. So 10, 3, 1, 2 times, what was it, 13 plus 4 times 3, 4, 6, 5. That is 1, 4, 7, 9, 16. So that's correct. And then 3, 4, 6, 5 times 13, 4, 5, 0, 4, 5. That's correct. So we do 1, 4, 7, 9, 16 over 4, 5, 0, 4, 5. That gives us 3.284. Getting closer. We're getting closer. It's a bit closer. So like we're like 0.14 off. Still gonna take a while. Bruh. Okay, so we got to 8. Sorry I keep like dipping. I keep dipping. I'm like in Discord as well at the moment. So like I'm typing in Discord and shit. How long have I been streaming? 49 minutes. We're only at 8. I've just been chatting shit. Like I might go heat up my lunch soon. Got like an appointment at what is it? I got an appointment at like I'm leaving for the appointment at 2:30 I think. So I'm probably gonna end the stream at around 2. So I got until 2, that's like 2 hours. Okay, so for the 8th approximation we're gonna do pi is approximately equal to Jesus fucking Christ, bro. This is gonna be annoying to work with, bro. I'm doing this shit in my head. Bro. I'm just gonna use this method to be honest at this point for all of it. 1, 4, 7, 9, 1, 6 minus 4. This is over 4, 5, 0, 4, 5. This is over 15. So we can actually factorize this, as I said earlier. We can factorize it because we can kind of see what common factors there are going to be. So 15, that goes into 3 and 5. So we can get rid of 3 and 5 because this, we know, has already got the factors 3 and 5. Because it's like a multiple of all these different ones, all these factors. So this is going to be having factors of 3 and 5, so we can take out 15 from this in general. So this over 15 is going to be, well, that's actually easy, because, 45 over 15, what's that? That's just 3. So it's going to be, this is going to be reduced down to 3003, I think. Because 3003, you times that by 9. 3003 times 9, 27 or 27. And then you times that, wait, what? What the fuck am I doing? Divide this by 15. Yeah. So you times that by 9. You don't times it by 9 and 5, you times it by 3 and 5, because that's 15, not 9. I'm chatting shit. So you do, you do 3003 times, times 3, you get 9009, times 5, you get 45. Oh, 45. So yeah, this goes as, what is it? So you divide this by 15, it's 3003. So you multiply, God, so you need to take out 15 from both of those, because 15 goes into that. Remember what we said last time? So, yeah, so, what would it, so the denominator is going to be, it's just going to be this, isn't it? 45 over 45. So we don't actually need to multiply this one, we just need to, no, we do need to multiply this one, we don't need to multiply this one, which is amazing. It's absolutely amazing. It's absolutely amazing. I love this. Thank you, 15. Thank you, the number 15. You are my savior. You are my savior. I can't believe this. This is amazing. I don't have to multiply. I don't need to multiply this. I don't need to. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I don't know why I'm yapping so loud, bro. I'm clearly losing my mind, bro. So yeah. This is just this times 4, which is easy. That's 90 or 90. Because it's just, let's be real, it's just 45. And then you just do that twice. 45 times 4 is 180. So it's just 180, 180. You just write 180 twice. God, this one is so good. I love you. I love you. I love this. I love this so much. Oh my God. Thank you. This is like a gift from Allah. This is like a gift from Allah. Thank you so much for this. Oh my God. This is amazing. This is amazing. Okay, yeah, so it's 147 916 minus 180 180 and then it's just 45 045. There we go. We just need to subtract these. Shouldn't be. Oh my god, what the fuck is this? That's a negative number, bro. It's a negative number. I've gone wrong, bro. I thought we were clear. I thought we were done. But it's a negative fucking number. What is this? It's a negative fucking number. Why is it like this? It's not supposed to be a negative number. This is not how it's supposed to go. I'm doing this wrong, clearly. Why is it a negative number? I did plus, so that's minus. Okay, so the first one you got plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. So that's right. That's right. There's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that. That's correct, right? So this has to be like less than this. Like, I mean, it is less than this. Like, oh, because I'm multiplying it by. Yeah, I need to multiply it by 3003, don't I? That's even better though. That just makes it so much easier. So what is that? What is that? 4 times 3003, which is 12. No, that's 12. Oh, 12, which is 135, and then 904. 4505. There we go. That is the way of things. Don't think we can simplify that further because we already did the simplifying. So that was like a lot more anxiety inducing than it should have been, because like it's so simple. It's so simple for that one compared to the other ones. So what we're gonna do, I just need to calculate the estimate. 135904 divided by 45045. That is 3.01. 3.017. There we go. 3.017. We are, for the lower estimate, we are going above 3 now, which is good. We're getting closer. Okay. Now on to approximation 9. Right. This is gonna be an insane video. It's just gonna be a compilation of me screaming. Anyway, we go to the ninth approximation. We do this. After I do this one, I'm gonna go reheat my curries and shit. I mean, not literal shit, not literal. I'm just saying shitters and stuff. Like, I'm not eating curries and shit. Like, that would be so fucking weird. I mean, my curries, I might put too. Is what I'm gonna be reheating, not shit. Not shit. I'm not gonna be reheating shit. Why do I even feel the need to clarify that at this point? Like, what is this? Am I just that insane? That I'm like, oh my god. I need help, bro. I need help. My mental state is not very good, you know? Okay, we go to the next one. This is 1, 3. Oh my god, this is gonna be fucking 17. A prime number. I hate prime numbers. Fucking prime numbers. Fucking prime numbers. What is this bloody prime numbers? But the prime numbers are the work of Yakub. They are the work of the devil. They are the work of the white devil. Where is the prime numbers? I'm gonna have to bloody multiply everything because of these bloody prime numbers. Oh my fucking god, bro. Okay. Me losing my mind aside, let's continue. Let's continue. 916 minus, this is gonna be 4 over 4, 5, 4, 5 over 17. God, I'm gonna have to multiply this shit. I'm gonna have to like do this shit. Let me highlight, or maybe I'll just use like a different color. Gonna have to multiply this fucking shit. I hate this so much. I can't simplify any further. I just can't simplify any further. Like, that's just what I'm gonna have to do. I'm just gonna have to do that. Like, why do this to me? Okay. Okay, let's stop losing my mind. Let's just do this. Let's just do this. Okay. And then 17. Okay. Okay, let's multiply this. So this is gonna be 42. This is gonna be 5 because 40. No, it's not gonna be 5. It's not gonna be fucking 5. What am I thinking? What am I thinking? 7 times 1. 7 times 1. 7 times 1 is 7. Plus 4. That's 11. There's gonna be 1 left over. 7 times 9 is what's 7 times 9? 63. 63. Because there's 1 left over. Was there 1 left over? It was there. 7 plus 4, 11. Yeah, there's 1 left over. 63. 63. So it's 4. 4 is going there. That's gonna be 6. And then so that's 35. So 5 plus 6, that's 11, that's 1, so you got 1 left over. But you got 35, so it's like 3 plus, for fuck's sake, what is this? So bloody annoying, bro. So you got 4 there. I think you got 4 there. I'm gonna have to verify this on a calculator, I'll tell you. So you got 4, 3 times 7 is 21, so that's 5. And this is 2. So that's just 3. No, it's not 3! It's bloody 7 times 1 is 7, and then you add 3 is 10. Okay, 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 okay. No, it's not 10. It's not bloody 10. It's not bloody 10. 7 times 1 is 7. Why did that take so long for me to figure out? What the fuck is this? And that is it's 7 plus 2 is 9. So it's 9. It's not 10. It's not bloody 10. It's not bloody 10. It's not bloody 10. It's not bloody. Okay, okay. Let's not lose my mind. Let's be calm. Let's be calm. Let's be very calm. And 6. That's 6. That's 1. That's 9. That's 5. That's 3. Then that's 1. And then you add these. So 2, 7, 5. And you carry the 1 there. So you also carry the 1 there. And you also carry the 1. But bloody carrying 1s everywhere, bro. So did I carry them right? I haven't written them bloody down because I'm fucking stupid. I'm fucking stupid, right? So yeah, that's 2. That's 7. That's 5. That's 10. You carry the 1. That's 10. 11. You carry the 1. That's 10. You carry the 1. Now, yeah, it's 2 million. That was way more. That was way more insanity-inducing than it should have been, but we got there in the end. Okay. So, for fuck's sake, we go to the next one. We go to the next one. We go to the next one. So 45. 0, 4, 5 times 17. Multiply it. We do that. So this is 5, you carry the 3, this is 28, that's 8, you carry the 3, so it's 11. And that's going to be, so 28 plus 3 is 31, so you carry the 3 over to here, that's 0, so it's 3. And then for this, 35, well, it's going to be the same as this, isn't it? 5, 1, 3. Yeah, that seems about right. I just did some calculations in my head. So, this is easy. I have not left enough space for this. What the fuck? I'm gonna have to move this. Can I? Yes, I can. Yes, I can move it. That's base. That's so base. Like, you'll not know how base this was. 4. Then 5. I did not need to move it. I did not need to move it. I didn't. Why the fuck did I move? Why the fuck did I move it? I did not need to move it. I'm gonna move this back then. Oh my god, bro, I'm not okay in the head. I'm not okay in the head. What is this? And then you add these. We just put the sign in. 5, 6, 7. That's gonna be the same. 5, 6, 7, and that's the answer. And then we have to do the fucking minusing and shit. So this 2,010,572 minus that's just 180 over 7 6 no 7 6 5 7 6 5. Let's just divide that and then we'll just separate it from the rest. Then we do that's equal to, we have to bloody subtract it, don't we? Okay, so 2 0 1 0 bread 0 5 7 2 180 minus That's going to be 2. 7 minus 8. It's going to be 1. No, I don't know. How do I do this shit? Do I kind of just like, this is 4, and I put 1 here. That's gonna be 17 minus 8, that's 9. That's 3. That's 0. Can put that 1, that's gonna be 9. Cross down, it's gonna be 8. So it's gonna be 11 minus 8, that's 3. That's 7. That's gonna be 1. Okay, we got there in the end. I'm losing my mind. I'm gonna go reheat my food. And this leaves us with 1730 392765765. There we go. And then we do equal to, let's use the calculator, let's see. 1730392 divide by 765, nope, 765. That is not right. What did I do wrong? That is completely off. That comes out to bloody 2.259. It's bloody 2.25969. That's nowhere nearby. That's nowhere nearby. I've gone wrong. I've gone massively wrong somewhere. Right. I don't think this should be 1.7. Doesn't seem like it should be. Because even if you minus 2, that's still gonna be 1.8. So that should be 9. I don't know what's what. I'm losing my mind, bro. I'm losing my mind. What is this supposed to be? Let's see. So we're supposed to have, when we do this, okay, so this number is supposed to be 2310572. 2010572. So I got this wrong. 9 plus 3 is 12. Yeah, why did I do that? What the fuck is wrong with me, bro? What is wrong with me? So we changed this. This is supposed to be 3. And then this subtraction is we kind of just, so what is it? 2310. So we're just gonna raise this whole last number. from the top. 2, 3, 1, 0. Then what is it? 572. So then it's 5, 7, 2. Okay. Let's just start again with this. So this is 2. Think we can do this. So this is 40 plus 17. This is 17 minus 8. That's 9. This is 3. This is 0. This is not a thing. That's 2. And then we put 11. That's 3. This is 1. This is 2. There we go. That should be better. That should be better. So 2, 2. Nope, not 2. 1, 3, 0. And then 3, 9, 2. There we go. Let's check my other calculations, see if they're right. So 4, 5, 0, 5 times 17, that's 765, 765, that's easy. And then, what is it? 2, 3, 1, 0, 572 minus 180, 180. That's 2130392. And then 2130392. 2130392. There we go. And over 765, 765. What's this? That is still too low. Because I'm minusing. I should be plussing. For fuck's sake, I have to do this shit again. I have to do it. I'm losing my mind, bro. I'm losing my mind. I did a plus instead of a minus, bro. I did a plus. No, I did a minus instead of a plus, bro. So I need to redo this as an addition. I need to do an addition. My tea's gone bloody cold. I just drank it all. Okay. Let's try this again. So 2, 3, nope, 3, 1, 0, 5, 7, 2. You add these, you don't subtract, you add, because we're doing alternating. It has to be alternating. It has to be alternating. You see, it has to be alternating. So that's 5. That's 1. You carry the 1. 7. That's 7. This is 0. This is 9. This is 4. This is 2. There we go. And we do this. This is 4. This is 9. This is 0. This is 7. This is 5. This is 2. And now we're going to put this into the bloody calculator. 2490752 over 765765. This is going to come to 3.253 to 3 decimal places. Okay, that's not right. 3.253. Okay. That's getting okay. We're getting close. That's off by 0.14. Previous estimate, roughly by 0.14. What is the third digit of pi? We must find out. I keep forgetting this. Bloody keep forgetting the third digit of pi. No one's bloody watching the stream, bro. I'm just yapping to myself. I'm just yapping to myself, right? I mean, I guess, like, normally, like, the people will watch, like, what is it? When I'm, like, streaming afternoon, like, so, and people are not subscribed for Java for maths. They're subscribed for Java, you know, so, like, it's understandable, like, but what is the third digit of pi? So that's, yeah, it's 1 5, no, so the 3 decimal places it's 2. So if we go back to this, I can't be bothered to do it in my head, so 1.342 minus 3.017, that's 1 over 8, or 0.125, that's the error. 3.2, nope, 253 minus 3.142, that is 0.111. So it is reducing, but at a slow rate. Seems. Why is the monitor just gone off? My monitor just switched off randomly. So I'm gonna go for like 5 or 10 minutes to heat my food up, and I will be back. I'm losing my bloody mind though, so yeah, I've been streaming for almost an hour and a half. So yeah, just gonna leave the stream running. I'm gonna add another page as well because how do I add that? Add page. How do I add page? Add page. There we go. So that's a Z. Back. And then, you know, let's, for fun, let's draw a skull emoji. Can I fill this in? That'll be easier. I don't think I can, bro. Cannot fill it in. Cannot fill it in. And then let's do the black. This is an eye. This is another eye. And this is the nose. So that's a skull emoji. It's a really shit skull emoji, but it's a skull emoji nonetheless. Okay, so I will be back in a bit. Going to heat up my food. Bye. Hello there, we're back. It said, I will be back, and I am back. This is indeed the case. I am back. Welcome back. Oh wait, why am I saying welcome back to myself, bro? So weird. Yeah, we're back. We're back. I got my fucking lunch. And yeah. So I spent a lot of time like looking through the fridge to find a box that had spinach in it, because I remember I didn't make enough spinach for like all of the boxes. So yeah, I found one with a little bit of spinach, so I'm gonna be having this one. It's a small amount of spinach. Yeah, I've also got like some carrot sambal, which I made, and some parapu, which I made, and some I just kind of threw. I made the parapu, I made the kire, I made the lentils and the spinach and the carrot sambal, and then like I just kind of threw everything else into one curry. So like in the mix, I had this big bag of frozen vegetables, and I just kind of put that in with some mushrooms, and then made a curry out of it because, like, vegetables good for the health. So I just kind of I make some specific ones, and I just kind of throw everything else in another one so that it's like healthy and shit, or like so you can just kind of get everything without me having to put too much effort into it, you know. Anyway, where were we? Okay. Okay, yeah. So, got my luncheon, got my my tings. I don't know what I'm saying, bro. So we're gonna go to 10. Got like an hour left. I got like an hour or so left. So yeah, let's do approximation 10. Pi approximately equal to 490. Bro, this is some wank ass. 49. 2, 490. 7, 5, 2. Should zoom in a bit. There's some wank 5. What is going on? Why is it so wonky? Bruh. And that's over 765, 765. Okay. 7. Bruh. 7, 6, 5, 7, 6, 5. There we go. This one is minus, right? So we got plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. So if it's an even number, it's minus. So this is minus 4 over 19. For fuck's sake, it's another prime number. They just hate me, don't they? They just hate me. The haters can't stand as I ponder. It's another bloody prime number. It's another bloody prime number. What is this? What is this, bro? What is this, bro? What is this? I am so... Why do you have to give me another bloody prime number? I'm gonna have to multiply all of this shit. I'm gonna have to multiply all of it. You saw what happened to me last time. I'm gonna have to bloody multiply all of this. Let's start with the worst one. 2, 4, 9, 0, 7, 5, 2 over, not over, multiply by 19. There we go. Let's try this. 8, carry the 1. 5 times 9, 45. 6, carry the 4. 7 times 9, 63. 7, carry the 6. 9 times 0, that's just 0, so 6. 9 times 9, 81, carry the 8. 9 times 4, 36. That's 44. Carry the 4. 9 times 2, 18. 2. Bruh, 2, and then there's carry 2. There we go. And then we do the next one, which is just this, times 10. So it's just 0, 2, 5, 7, 0, 9, 4, 2, and then we just do plus. Bruv, why am I doing it like this? I could have just done like times 20 and then minus times 1, like, why do I do this shit to myself? I just kind of don't notice this, and I just do some fucking useless shit. I'm just gonna... So, like, this is gonna be, like, bloody annoying. This way's just gonna be way easier, so, like, this times 20 is just gonna be... Nope. 4, 9, 8, 1, 5, 0, 4. And then you just kinda... Nope. That should be times 10 as well. So this is going to be 4, 9, 8, 0, nope, 1, 5, then 0, 4, 0, then minus 4, nope, 2, 4, 9, 0, 7, 5, 2. My mic, I forgot to turn my mic off. Okay, so it's just going to be like this. Minus, that's going to be 8. But I need to carry this. That's 3. Carry 1, so 8. Fuck's sake. Okay, 4. That's 10. And then 9. That's 13. So 13 minus 5. That's 8. Bruh. That's 2. That's 4. This becomes 7. Carry the 1. 2. That's 3. That's 7, and that's 4. Okay, so we got that. Okay. And then we gotta do 765 times 19. So we just do the same shit. So 20 times this. So that's 1, 5. So that's 14. That's 12. So that's gonna be 3. That's gonna be 1. That's gonna be 5 as well. That's gonna be 3. That's gonna be 0. I think that's right. So that's 10, 12, 14, 10, 12, 14. Yeah, so that's right. I think, yeah, that should be right. And then we just kind of do this. It's times 10, it's bloody times 10, of course it's bloody times 10. We have to... I am not okay in the head. We'll just put it that way. And then we just... Do I add an extra 0? Yeah, I think I did. So that's gonna be 7. That's gonna be 765. 765 minus, bloody carry this, so I've got borrow 1, that's 9, borrow 1, so that's 10, that's 5, that's 3, I've got to borrow bloody 1 again, 4, that's 12, that's 5, Fuck's sake, we have to borrow again, what the fuck? That's 0, that's 14, that's 9. We have to fucking borrow again? We have to fucking borrow again! What is this? That's 2. That's 10. And that's 4. Oh, for fuck's sake. For fuck's sake. I don't like this, bro. This is hell. This is like hell. We have to borrow again. 4. This is 4. That's 12. So this is 5. And then this is 14. Is this even right? I don't know. We'll check. Don't want to be like wrong and have to start this all over again. So 2490 times, nope, need to do the 752, then times 19. Or why is it so dark? Display day shouldn't be dark. Bloody sun is out. So why is it dark? Anyway, so yeah, that's 47324 that's right. And then 765,765 times 19. That's 145,49535. That's correct. Good. And then this times 4, we can just do this fairly quickly. We will go times 2, which is here. So we can just times that by 2 again. So that's 3. No, I can just write it as we go. Okay, so this is 4, 9. No, it's not 9. It's not 9. It's 4, 7, 3, 2, 4, 2, 8, 8 minus this times 4, which is that's gonna be 306. Nope, you're not that. 306. 2. Nope, it's gonna be 3 because there's a 5 there. That's gonna be 0, 6, 0. There we go. Is that correct? 06. And then it's O again, and it's 3 there, 6. And that's 30. Okay. And then all over. Is this minus even? Need to check first. Yep, it's minus 14, 5, 4, 9, 5, 3, 5. And then we bloody subtract the numbers. Okay, shouldn't be too bad. 3 to 4, 2, 8, 8. My lunch is gonna go cold if I don't eat it. So just needed to check that this was correct, this number. So that's 8, that's 2, that's 2, that's 1, we need to borrow, so it's 12, and 6, that's 2, it's 44. Okay, is this correct? We'll check it. 47, 324, 288, minus, here 63060. 442612228. That's correct. Very good. Very good. Bam. Let's go. I'm gonna section this off, and then how am I gonna do this? Just 442612228 over 14,549,535, and then what's the decimal roughly? Divide 44261,228 divided by 14,549,535. Let's see what it is. 3.042. So we're literally like 0.1 off. Okay. I don't think we're gonna actually get to like 3.142, but 0.1 off isn't too bad, I guess. I don't know if I can mentally handle doing any more than like 12. Okay. I think I'm only going to be able to handle one more, let's be real. So 11. But just because, you know, like this approximation is not super good at like getting there quickly. So there's 44 million 2 6 1 2 2 8 over some water, some thunder. Bro, it's all getting stuck in my braces, bro. 14,549,535. Bro, I'm not recording! I'm not recording! I forgot to bloody record! Oh my god, bro! This is just not going well, is it? It's like I stopped recording. I stopped the recording like after, like when I was going to get food. And I just didn't turn the bloody back on, bruh. It's bloody annoying. So all of this is just not gonna be in the video, is it? This took bloody long. This took bloody long. That's not gonna be in the video? Okay, but okay, that's fine. It's not wavy enough. Let's do plus. It's plus, right? Yeah, it's plus. 4/21. Oh, thank fucking god, thank fucking it's not a prime number. This means that it's gonna be easier. This means that we can factorize it. We can factorize the denominator. Let's go. Okay, let's get to factorizing. This is such a big ass number that it's gonna be like... It's gonna be very annoying to do. So let's just go by this. Split it into its prime factors. So first of all, we can see it's 5. So 5, and then we can kind of divide by 5. So 35, that's going to be 7. That's going to be 1. No, it's not. Might be, I don't know. So 95/5, what's that? So 495. We need to do 495 over 5. 500/5 is 100, so it's going to be 99. So that's 9. That's going to be 9. That's going to be 0, I think. Is it going to be 0? I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know if this is even an accurate method to do, bruh. I'm just gonna use a calculator, I can't be bothered. It's just like meta calculations and shit. So that's 2, 9, 09, 907. Okay. This is by 7. We can divide that by 7, so let's divide it by 7. That's 7, and that's 415,701. So what can this be divided by? Is this a prime? I don't know. We should be able to divide it. I know it can be divided by 3. Let's check. 5, 10, 17, 18. Now, let's divide by 3. So, we've got 3, 1, 3, 8, 5, 6, 7. Let's divide that again by 3. Let's check. 4, 12, 17, 23, 30. Okay, can divide by 3. Divide by 3 is 4, 6, 1, 8, 9. This again, we can divide by 3 twice, so let's divide by 9. Okay, we can't do that. 4, 6, 1, 8, 9. Divide by 3. We can't divide by 3 again. Okay. 4, 6, 1, 8, 9. Is this a prime number? Let's check. So, we've got 19, 17, we got 15. This is just... I mean, we only really need these two, don't we? That just means we can leave this as it is. So, these ones don't, other ones don't really matter, let's be real. Just as long as we have the 21, then we can make sure we don't worry about this one. This denominator can just stay the same. This one is just times by this. And then this can it just stay the same? Yeah, it can it? So it's just gonna be 44,261,228. Let's do plus 4. And then it's gonna be this times 4, I think. No, it's gonna be this times 4, I think. I don't know. So what's, it's not gonna be that. It's gonna be whatever this number is divided by 21. So 14,549, 535. Just not even done anything with it. I've just put the number into the calculator and just come out as itself, bruh. Divide by 21. That is 692,835. So 4 times. Let's do this. 692,835 times 0 carry 2. That's 12. 4 carry 1. That's 32. 3 carry 3. That's 8. 1 carry 1. That's 36. So 7 carry 3. And that's 24. So 7 carry 2. And then that's just it. That's it. That's it. That's the number. So 2, 771,340 over the denominator, which is 14,549,535. Separate this off, and then we just add these. Bro, what is this? Why am I farting? Why does it smell? Okay, smells like fart. I think I'm farting. I think it's the bloody parapoo. Okay, let's add these. I do not need to, well, I can do that anyway. Four, 2, 6, 1, 2, 2, 8, and then 2, 7, 7, 1, 3, 40. There we go. Let's add them. That's 8, that's 6, that's 5, that's 2, that is 13, carry 1, that's 0, carry 1, that's 7, that's 4. Okay, so that means that this is equal to 47,032,568 over may Allah break your legs, bro. I hate you, I hate you, I hate you so much. Taylor Swift when Taylor series walks in. Bro, I found a video earlier of this like AI video of Taylor Swift explaining Taylor series. It's crazy. And then we got 14 million 5 4 9 5 3 5, and then we kinda just do the decimal version. 032 568 14 549 535. This comes to 3.233. Because I'm writing with a mouse, bro. That's why there's a clicking sound. But yeah, we got. This is the estimate we've got so far. It's like, it's not even. It's like, it's just going slower and slower. Yes, I am eating many foods. Bro, I don't know if I can be bothered to do the rest of this. I'm losing my mind. Like, it's just taking me so long. Like, the next one's a prime number, 23 is a prime number, I cannot be bothered to do that. So, I'm gonna end it. I'm tired. I've been streaming for 2.5 hours. 2 hours, 23 minutes. Never give up. I'm giving up, bro. I'm giving up. I'm giving up. I got a bloody dentist appointment in like an hour or an hour and a half. But like I have to go in like an hour to get it. To go to the I have to at 2:30 to go to the dentist appointment, which is later on, but I have to leave at 2:30 to get there in time. So this is it. This is like just so insanity inducing. I hope you liked the video because I am losing my mind. Goodbye. Like and subscribe or else.